Today, I'm making a crispy, delicious snack that's bursting with flavors. It is tender chicken, mashed potatoes, fresh veggies, and a blend of aromatic spices, all coated in a crispy golden layer. It's the perfect tea time treat, great for guests, and easy to store for later. Watch closely as I take you through each step to make this mouthwatering recipe. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also show you how to freeze and store these for quick snacks anytime. To make this crispy snack, I start by prepping all the ingredients. First, I finely chop onions, muslab and habai carrots, and boiled eggs. Then, I cut the chicken into small, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Next, I boil and mash potatoes until they are soft and creamy. I also prepare fresh ginger garlic paste to enhance the taste and aroma. To balance the flavors, I get all the spices ready: turmeric, chili powder, coriander, cumin, black pepper, shot masala, and salt. Finally, I chop fresh tomatoes, which will add a tangy touch. I heat oil in a pan and add the chopped onions. As they start turning golden brown, the kitchen fills with a delicious aroma. Next, add the fresh ginger garlic paste and fry it for a few seconds until the raw smell disappears. Now, it's time to add the spices. I sprinkle in turmeric, chili powder, coriander, cumin, black pepper, and shot masala, stirring well so they coat the onions evenly. The spices release their fragrance, making the base of the dish rich and flavorful. Then I add chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften completely. To bring everything together, I pour a little water and stir well before adding the bite-sized chicken pieces. The chicken starts absorbing all the flavors and the spices, becoming juicy and tender. I cook it on medium heat until it's fully done. Once the chicken is ready, I add the mashed potatoes, mixing them thoroughly into the chicken mixture. The potatoes help bind everything together, making the filling soft and creamy. Then, I add the chopped boiled eggs and mix well, ensuring everything is evenly combined. After the mixture cools slightly, I take small portions and shape them into round, even-sized balls. I gently press them to make them smooth and uniform. For the crispy coating, I take gram flour besan in a bowl and add turmeric, chili powder, coriander, cumin, and a little salt. Then, I gradually add water while stirring to make a smooth batter, thick enough to coat without dripping. I heat oil in a pan for deep frying. While the oil heats, I dip each piece into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, I carefully place them into the hot oil. As they touch the oil, they sizzle and turn golden brown. I fry them on medium heat, flipping occasionally for an even, crispy texture. Once golden and crispy, I remove them and place them on a tissue paper to absorb excess oil. These crispy delights are ready to serve. They taste amazing with ketchup, mint chutney, or any dip. The crispy outside and soft, flavorful inside, make every bite irresistible. To store for later, let them cool. Pack them in an airtight container and freeze. Whenever needed, just fry them directly. They'll be as fresh and crispy as ever. This easy, flavorful recipe is perfect for any occasion. Try it once and you'll want to make it again and again. Enjoy your crispy chick and veggie delight.